All right, everyone, so here is my summer tablescape. I started out with a clean table. I put on this light blue with white table runner. Had that for a few years, not sure exactly where I bought that one from. But I did get these chargers from Dollar Tree, and I got these plates and the saucers from Dollar Tree. These ones last year, these ones I got this year. I'm using my gold flatware, and I thought I'd do something different and put the fork in with these napkin ring holders that I made. I made these out of curtain, those curtain hooks. I wrapped them in twine and I glued on a little seashell. So I have a table setting for 6, and I decided to use my 3-tiered tray as a centerpiece. I put in these nautical rope balls I got from Dollar Tree with these, what are they called? Those sea dollar or whatever they call them. Yeah, so I got those from Dollar Tree. I put those in there and just put some greenery around it. And the 2nd-tier tray is I got the little birds, the little teal colored birds from Dollar Tree, and these cute little wood beads, garland. They're little garlands. There's one on the bottom too, and it has a star, a blue star. That's from Dollar Tree. And then I use my little salt and pepper shaker that are seahorses with some pretty little, I don't know what they're called, gems, or they look like sea glass, but it's not sea glass. But I thought it looked appropriate with the little seahorses. Something different. And I got a bag of those at Dollar Tree. So that's all I'm having in the tiered tray right now. And with the blue glasses. I think I also got those at Dollar Tree, but that was a couple years ago. Something fun and a little different for summer. I think they're really pretty, these dishes I got. The flatware I got on Amazon. I usually use them for like Christmas or Thanksgiving, but special occasions. So that is my tablescape. I love these chargers. You can't beat the price for Dollar Tree on those. Pretty. These plates, this one has a different pattern. I couldn't decide which one I like best, so I got 4 with the starfish, and then I got 2 with the shells that just go around and there's nothing in the middle. So those 2 I use on either end of the table. And the rest I put on the sides. So that is my tablescape for summer. So let me see what else I could show you that I have for summer. I just got done cleaning my floors, so they're nice and shiny. This has kind of stayed the same, but I like the colors, so I left the greens and that for now. I've been starting to collect a lot of books. I know people have been using books as like decor or coffee table books. I have these 2 that I got at Goodwill, and Ben and Aaron Napier from Hometown. I love that show. So I got those 2, and I do plan on reading them. And then I also have some garden books that come in handy because I've been doing some gardening. And then this table, I put this starfish bowl that I got at Ross a few years back with the pretty blue decorative balls in there with the other kind of bowl filler. And I think that looks pretty. The little blue bird I put on these books here. And what else? That stuff is always kind of beachy over there, that corner. And then my mantle, I did leave on the spring looking garland, but I love it, so I left it there. And I added the boat and this big starfish. This little bottle I got at Dollar Tree. I don't know if you could see it. And then the other side is just a seahorse, another starfish, and the anchor. So that's it for up there. Then I have my regular lantern and my hydrangeas, fake hydrangeas, and some more candles. And then over here on my my TV hutch, I have these birds here. I'm not sure what kind of birds they are, but I bought those at Home Goods, I think the first year that we moved here. And I love all these light greens and beachy, well, they're beachy and summer colors to me. And this here reminds me of like a seagrass. And this tray that I had, I got this a few years ago too. This kind of reminds me of something beachy. And there's the other bird on the other side. And then these shells here, I got those years ago. I forget the name of them. But they're really pretty. They're shiny. They're like an opal. So, I think that's it for my summer things. I always have my owls over here. They're hanging out on this ladder. I bought that at Ross years ago too. So, picture of a pelican. I took that picture and had it put on canvas. I think pelicans are cool. Some people don't like birds, but I love birds. Then up here is kind of the same. Greens, blues, birds, chicken. This is just getting full of things. So, and down there on the bottom I have all my shells. I still have some of my, my Memorial Day decor out. And I bought these at Dollar Tree, the little hooks. I bought 3 of them and I thought they're really cute, and I was going to put them on this piece of wood, but it's a little bit too short. My husband said it's fine if it hangs over, so maybe, I don't know. I'd like it to be longer though, but that'd be cute in the bathroom with, put some towels on there. But yeah, I still have my little Joanna Parker cookie jar out, bell, whatever it is. And I found this at Joann's, this bike, 60% off. It's metal, super cute. And it has the little basket here in the back, and I put my little icy drinks in there that I made for Memorial Day or 4th of July, whichever. But I thought that was just the cutest. And then I picked up some picks here. They were all 60% off. I'm going to use those for 4th of July. Sorry about the fan, guys. I'm always melting. I need the fan. Okay, so I think that come out pretty good. So let me know what you guys think in the comments if you like it. And I got 2 sleeping dogs here. Miss Olive. Huh, Ollie? I know, you're just so tired. And then Susie Q. Can you see her? She matches the she matches the bed. That's my mother-in-law's dog. And she's Sleepyhead. You're Sleepyhead too, Olive? Yes, you are. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Alright guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye.